In this video, we're going to go over adding an assignment to your course. An assignment is an activity that enables a teacher to communicate tasks, collect work, and provide grades and feedback to students. Begin by going to your course and turning your editing on. Scroll down to Add an Activity and select Assignment. Give your assignment a name in the Assignment Name field. Next, type your assignment prompt. This is oftentimes directions for the assignment. You can choose whether you want to display the description on your course page or just have it appear when students click on assignment. You may also want to upload files for students. This may come in handy if you're providing them with exemplars of it. Scroll down to Additional Files, and just like adding a file, you can either drag and drop or browse your Finder and locate it and add it to the file. This way, when students go to the assignment, they will click on it and be able to download that file. The assignment has several options that are worthy of reviewing. Let's take a look at some of these. The first is availability. When do you want students to begin to submit stuff? When is the due date? And when is the cutoff date for submissions? You have options that you can choose to use for your assignment. The other big change is the submission types. There are lots of different ways students can submit their assignments. They can upload a file, they can type on the online text editor, or they can do voice or video or whiteboard displays using online Moodle. Depending on which file submission you choose, you may have different things that you need to choose on the submission types. One other thing to note is that you can select more than one type of submission. As an instructor, you can also choose what types of feedback you want to give them. Will it be in the form of comments, files, offline grading worksheet, PDF? You can comment in line. This allows you greater flexibility in how to provide students with feedback. Finally, you can have submission settings. Are you going to require students to click the Submit button? Are they going to be required to accept the submission statement? Are you going to limit the number of times they can reopen it or the number of attempts that they can make? Now let's take a look at what this assignment looks like. Go back to your course page, locate the assignment number 1, click on it, and you can see that the directions appear as well as the file that we uploaded. The next portion is the teacher or instructor portion that talks about grading. Students will see submission status. Below this, they can see that they've not submitted anything. Go ahead and click Add Submission. And here a student can upload files. Remember, we chose file submissions, or type online text. In this case, let's have the student upload a file and then type in their notes. Here is my assignment. The student would then select Save Changes. On the teacher screen, you can see under Grading Summary that there has been one assignment submitted and it needs grading. Teachers can view all the submissions by clicking on View Submissions. Students would see the submission status. Notice that the submission status has changed from Submit to Edit Submission. Depending on how you have it set, they can go back and edit their submission that they put in for their assignment. The assignment activity is an excellent way to provide students with expectations and directions related to things that they must complete in order to successfully meet the course expectations.